This subunit covers the various AI use cases and workflows that lend themselves to cloud deployments. So, what types of AI-related activities can you perform in the cloud? As AI-powered solutions continue to drive business innovation and growth, effective workload and infrastructure management is critical to optimize efficiency, scalability, and performance in the cloud. Cloud-based model deployment management enables organizations to deploy machine learning models at scale, automate deployment processes, and manage model versions and updates, all while leveraging the scalability and flexibility of the cloud. Cloud-native management and orchestration involves using cloud-native tools and technologies to manage and orchestrate cloud-based applications and services, including containerization, service meshes, and serverless computing to achieve scalability, agility, and high availability. Cloud-based cluster management solutions enable organizations to easily deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications and services across distributed cloud environments, ensuring high availability, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. Infrastructure acceleration libraries, such as those for containerization and serverless computing, can help optimize cloud-based applications and services by providing pre-built components and tools for rapid deployment and scaling, resulting in improved resource utilization, reduced latency, and increased scalability. The development and training of AI models are notoriously resource-intensive, making cloud deployment an ideal choice for AI development activities. By leveraging cloud resources, organizations can tap into the scalability and flexibility they need to train and deploy their AI models efficiently and effectively. Data preparation is the process of preparing raw data and making it more suitable for machine learning models. Modeling training is teaching AI to accurately interpret and learn from data to perform a task with accuracy. In the simulate and test phase, you iteratively improve machine learning model accuracy to reduce error. For the deployment phase, you make models available to other systems so they can receive data and return predictions. Recall that Unit 5, AI Software Ecosystem, provided in-depth coverage of tools for various phases, and these same tools can be utilized within the cloud. By leveraging the power of cloud computing and the latest enhancements in AI development, organizations can unlock new possibilities for innovation and growth and stay ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced digital landscape. There are numerous AI use cases that are appropriate to deploy on the cloud. Given its scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness, here are some of the most common AI use cases for cloud deployment. Deploying a large language model, or LLM, in the cloud accelerates natural language processing tasks, enabling businesses to leverage advanced linguistic capabilities, automate communication, and enhance customer interactions on a scalable and cost-effective platform. Speech AI use cases including things like chatbots and virtual assistants to automate customer support and other business processes, speech recognition services to transcribe audio and video recordings and improve the customer experience. Recommendation engines can be used to personalize customer experiences and improve customer satisfaction. Cloud-based fraud detection and prevention services can be used to identify and prevent fraudulent activities in real time. Sentiment analysis is the process of using natural language processing and machine learning techniques to identify and quantify the emotional tone and subjective opinions expressed in text data. Supply chain optimization services can be used to optimize supply chain operations, such as demand forecasting, inventory management, and route planning. Predictive maintenance services can be used to predict equipment failures and prevent unplanned downtime. This is just the tip of the iceberg, with many more applicable use cases. You are halfway through the unit. Great progress so far. Next up on the journey is Subunit 12.4, which covers key considerations when deploying AI in the cloud.